Right. So now let's look at some key trends in the AI space. There are broadly three trends that I want to talk about. The first one is rise of agentic and autonomous AI. So AI has rapidly shifted from reactive, basic agents to proactive, very smart, powerful reasoning agents. So that's the first most important or most significant trend here. 2025 was also actually called the year of the agents, and I saw across industries a lot of companies and a lot of companies were able to leverage the power of agentic AI to generate huge profits. So these agentic systems, they can make decisions and they can react, they can reason similar to humans, and they can automate complex workflows from research all the way to business operations and so on and so forth. They can automate such complex workflows and they can collaborate across tasks, right? So we talk about multi-agent systems where multiple agents can come together to solve a bigger, more complex problem. So they can collaborate across tasks without task specific retraining, right? So they can learn and they can collaborate and they can carry out very complex tasks. So that's the first trend here, rise of agentic and autonomous AI. The second trend is obviously proliferation of generative AI. So generative AI has really proliferated in across actually industries, across all industries. We've seen over the last few years that we've come across very advanced autonomous chatbots, very smart chatbots, so to say. These are tools for text, code generation, video generation, music, audio, image generation, all of this, right? Earlier, we just saw basic chatbots, text generation um, applications, but now we see across all the modes of information, we see generative AI. And we can expect years 2026, 27 to bring advances on this front on generative AI. We can have generative videos, we can have very smart, very powerful movies generated through AI, and we can have AI powered game characters, we can have creative AI in marketing, in entertainment, and so on. So generative AI is can be seen across industries. Moving forward, we see more use cases of generative AI across all these industries. And last but not the least is reasoning. So AI powered reasoning engines. The latest frontier models we've seen, they have gone beyond basic pattern matching and basic thinking to handling very complex multi-step reasoning problems, right? They can solve logic puzzles, they can autonomously do new research, scientific research, and this unlocks value across healthcare, legal, finance, all domains essentially. So these are some of the most important trends you need to be aware of. Most of the concepts we study in this course will piggyback on these many of these concepts, and we'll try to sort of answer and build, let's say, some kinds of solutions, some kinds of products in each of these domains, or each of these we'll try to leverage each of these trends in whatever we study in this course.